Dear students, we are going to study about few more concepts in your text from your textbook. First one is the line segment. To understand the concept of line segment, I am going to draw here one line segment. AB is a one line segment. A and B are called endpoints. Then there are limited points from A to B. So line segment it is set of finite points. Length AB means what? Distance from point A to B is called length of line segment. How is it denoted? It is denoted by length is denoted by length is denoted by small letter L. So I will write here definition of line segment. It is a geometrical figure. It is geometrical figure having endpoints with finite points. Means it is set of finite points. Line segment is denoted by two capital letters. Example: line segment AB, or you may directly write seg AB. Understand what I told? So line segment means which has two endpoints. Distance between two endpoints is called length, and length is denoted by letter L. Now next concept is that of ray. Ray means what? It is set of infinite points. Simple definition of ray is there. We will see ray means here it is origin from one point, it extends at infinite distance A, B, C, D. These are the rays. Then here ray, it is geometrical figure. It is set of infinite points. Ray starts from one point. It is called origin and extends in one direction at infinity. Means it has no limit at all. So ray AB and ray CD are examples. A and C are called origins. Understand what I told? Ray means what? From origin in a one direction at an infinite distance, geometrical figure is extended or it extends at infinite distance at infinity, that is called a ray. Then here ray AB, A is origin, it is a set of infinite points, and ray has, there is arrow mark to one end and there is one full stop, that is called origin. Now there is a next concept about midpoint of segment, but before looking the midpoint of segment, we will take information about congruent line segments. Congruent line segments. Suppose here we will take example A, B, here CD, this is also 5 centimeter, here PQ, this is also 5 centimeter. If all these line segments have equal length, then these line segments are called congruent line segments. Line segments with equal length are called congruent line segments. Means what is condition for the congruency of line segments? Their measurement must be same. Therefore, LAB is equal to LCD is equal to LPQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, we will write L seg AB congruent L seg CD is congruent to length of seg PQ. Why? Because they have same length or their length is equal. Therefore, these line segments are called congruent line segments. If suppose if seg AB congruent to seg CD, seg CD is congruent to seg PQ, therefore seg AB and seg PQ are also congruent. This is also one of the property about congruent line segments. Now we will study about midpoint of segment. For that purpose also we will take example. I will draw here one seg AB. M is the midpoint. I am going to write M is midpoint of seg AB. Means what? M is at equidistant from end points A and B of seg AB. Therefore, what will happen? AM is equal to BM is equal to half AB. Therefore, M is called a midpoint. So, what is the definition of midpoint of segment? Midpoint of segment. We will write definition. What is definition? The point which is at equidistant from end points of segment is called midpoint of line segments. Yes, if you understand, then now we will study about next point, that is perpendicular line segment. What is the definition of perpendicular? That is also most important thing. Here I will take example and I will tell you, here suppose there is one segment here AB and PQ is another one segment, or PQ is one line. Then line PQ perpendicular seg AB at M. Suppose here it is M. Means what happens? Therefore, perpendicular segment makes 90-degree angle with the segment. Therefore, measure of angle AMP is equal to measure of angle BMP is equal to 90 degree. Now here any point from perpendicular, main thing is that any point from perpendicular is always at equidistant of endpoints of segment. Means here what will happen? AP is equal to BP. Example, AP is equal to BP. Here AQ is equal to BQ. Means any point from this perpendicular is always equidistant from the end points. Therefore, such a line is called a perpendicular bisector of the segment. Now we will enter into the new exercise, that is practice set 1.2. Practice set 1.2. I'm writing a little bit big. Practice set 1.2. Now, what is given that you should have to open your textbook and look, read question number 1. We will enter in question number 1 of the 1.2. There is one paragraph given, there is one table given to us. What is given in this table that we will see? In first row there is point. In second row coordinates are given. A, B, C, D, up till E there are coordinates given to us, and means A, B, C, D, E, these are the points. -3, 5, 2, -7 and 9, these are the coordinates, and you should have to decide whether seg DE congruent seg AB, you should have to decide. So I am going to decide by taking two examples. I am going to solve first and third example, and middle one is giving to you for homework. I hope that you will solve yourself. So now we will enter into this, how to solve this. Before solving this, you should subscribe this channel. You should tell to your friends to subscribe the channel. Give the benefit of our English Medium Academy channel to your friends, and And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Write your comments to improve the video quality. So look here first. Number 1 solution. In case of seg DE, if you want to decide whether these are congruent or not, then we have to find its length or distance. So what is the coordinate of D? Coordinate of D is -7. Coordinate of E is given to us 9. Then 9 is greater than -7. Therefore, L seg DE is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, means 9 minus in bracket -7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 units. 16 units. This is seg DE. Now here we have to find L seg AB. L seg AB. What will come in case of seg AB, that we will check it. A. What is the coordinate of A? -3. What is the coordinate of B? Coordinate of B is 5 given. So 5 is greater than -3. Therefore L seg AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, means 5 minus in bracket -3. So 5 plus 3, it becomes 8 units. Are these equal? No, not at all. Seg L seg DE is not equal to L seg AB. Therefore seg DE and seg AB are not congruent. Do you understand how to solve? So similar way, we will see whether seg DE and AD are congruent or not. Now we will find length of seg DE and then we will find length of another segment AD. Now L seg DE is equal to question mark. Coordinate of D take 5. Coordinate of E take 9. The 9 and 5, here 9 is greater. Therefore, length of seg BE is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So similar way here, seg AD is equal to question mark. Coordinate of A -3. Coordinate of D is -7. Now -3 is greater than -7. Therefore L seg AD is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Thus -3 out of bracket minus sign and in bracket minus -3 plus 7, 4 units. Means if you saw here, L length of seg BE is equal to length of seg AD. Therefore, what will come? Seg BE congruent seg AD. So similar way you can solve question number 2 of this question number 1. Now we will enter into the question number 2. Please read question number 2. After reading, you should draw the diagram and then start to solve. It becomes so simple, so easy. So I am going to draw here. Point M is the midpoint of seg AB. Look here, AB, M is the midpoint. What is given? AB is equal to 8 given. Full AB is equal to 8 given and you are asked to find out what is AM. Yes, am I right? Yes. So right here M is midpoint of seg AB. Okay. Therefore AM is equal to half AB. Thus AM is equal to half into 8. You will get 4 units. AM is equal to 4 units. That is the answer. It was simple. Similar way, it was the answer of question number 2. Now we will find question number 3. Here, in case of question number 3, there is CD is a segment in which M is midpoint and this CM is given 2.5. You have to find CD. So let me write similar way. M is midpoint of seg CD. Therefore, CM is equal to half CD. CM is given 2.5 is equal to half CD. Therefore, CD is equal to 2.5 into 2. This 2 is divided to right hand side. When it comes to left hand side, it becomes multiplication and thus it will come 5 centimeter. So length of seg CD is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we will compare. Question number 4 is there given to us. Then we will find. Here if centimeter given, you should write centimeter. If centimeter is not given, then you should write units. Now next question. Next question. Please read. What is told that there are 3 segments given and we should have to compare from their measurements. So I am going to write here measurements of the 3 centers. AP is equal to 5 centimeter given. AP is equal to 3.4 centimeter given and BP is equal to given 2 centimeter. So how will you compare this? It is so simple. Even first standard boy can also tell which numbers are greater. But you should write here in ascending order 2, then 3.4 and 5. Since it is written in ascending order, so 5 is greater than 3.4, 3.4 is greater than 2, 2 means who is there? That is BP. Then BP is smaller than AP and AP is smaller than AP. This is your answer. New question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is interesting one. I know that you can also solve. It is very simple. I will draw here its diagram and we will discuss about question number 5. But once again I am going to remind you that you should subscribe the channel. Please press the bell to get updates about newest videos from English Medium Academy. Now here there is one line given. On that line P is 1 point, then S is 1 point, here R, here P and here it is Q. These are the different points. First question is asked, write the names of the opposite ray of ray RP. Now RP is here, ray RP means it starts from R, this is ray RP, along with this exact opposite means it will come RS. So ray RS, again who is that? If instead of S we can take P also, so you may write ray RP is opposite ray of ray RP. Same. This is the answer of question number 1. Now we will enter into the next sub-question. Read the sub-question. You are allowed to open your textbook. If you are knowing, you can also try yourself. It is asked the intersection of ray PQ and ray RP. Intersection of ray PQ. Intersection of ray PQ means P to Q and Q onwards also there is a ray. And again ray RP. Ray RP. Here it is RP. Means ray RP starts from point R and P onwards also there. Means ray RP is in ray RP PQ will also come. Segment PQ is the part of ray RP because after P also it is if extended It is not, but it is extended only if not. And ray PQ means PQ, sec PQ comes itself. Therefore, intersection of ray PQ, intersection set, I am writing symbol ray RP is equal to sec PQ. You may write like this, or you may write directly answer sec PQ is the intersection set of ray RP and ray PQ. This is the answer of question number 2. Now I am going to take question number 3. Write the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. Ray PQ and ray PR, union set means what is becoming line QR. So just write ray PQ union ray QR is equal to line QR. It forms simple line. Now question number 4 is given that, question number 4, state the rays of which seg QR is a subset. Seg QR, Q to R means QR is subset of line. Seg QR is a subset of line QP. Seg QR is subset of ray RQ. Seg QR is a subset of ray QS or ray QR. Subset means whose points are included in line QT. Segment QR is included in ray QR, and seg QR included in ray QR, because behind R there is a part of line QR. Therefore, this way, these 3 answers are sufficient to us. Now we will enter into the question number 5. Please read question number 5. Diagram is just before you. It's so simple, like subscribing the channel. So please read question number 5. Write the opposite rays with common end point R. Common end point R. Opposite ray means R is the end point. Then what will come? RP and here RS. Correct? Means RS and RP. Then RQ and RT. Yes. So therefore I will write ray RP, and ray RP is opposite ray to ray RS. Means I think RS is wanted. No matter. Ray RQ is opposite ray of ray RP. Now next question. Write any two rays with common endpoint S. S must be common endpoint, and you should write means ray ST, ray SR, opposite aspirant, no limit. So you may write ray SP, and even you may write ray SQ also. This is the answer of question number 6. Now we will study question number 7. What is asked in question number 7? Intersection set is asked. Whose intersection set is asked? That please read it carefully. Ray SP. Ray SP here to left hand side, and ray ST is also ray SP to right hand side, here SP, and ST means to left hand side, and find here intersection set is who is common. S is common, so we should write ray SP intersection ray ST is equal to point S. which is common, that is the intersection set of it. Now we will enter into the last question, that is question number 6. So before taking last question, once again I am telling you the importance of subscribing this channel. If you subscribe to this channel, if you press an icon button, then you will get latest updates about our uploaded videos. And also, I will request you to subscribe, share your likes, and as well as you should put your comments. Now, question number 6. There is one line given. From this line, I am going to write different points. Here R means minus 6, U is given minus 5, Q is given minus 4, L is given minus 3, P is given minus 2, somewhere it not given but I am going to take it, and here minus 1 but point is not given. Now here is A indicates 0, then 1 has no point but B means 2, 3's point is not given but 4 is the coordinate of C, and V means 5 and D means will come 6. So in this way there are different coordinates and points are mentioned in figure 1.14, and first question we are going to see that state the points which are equidistant from point B. From point B, who are at equidistant? So from it means here 2 units distance is there, B to A 2 units distance, this one and this one. Here also this one, this one. So A and C are at equidistant from point B. From point B. Again you may check, again who can become at equidistant. However, these A and C are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means D1 will come from A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means P and D are also at equidistant from point B. Now, this is the answer of question number 1. Now we will solve question number 2. Write the pair of points equidistant from Q. Where is Q? Q is here. So which are equidistant? Look here, this is single unit, this is single unit. Means U and L are at equidistant from Q. So similar way, from Q at 2 units are like that. To right hand side P is there, R and P are also equidistant from Q. Now we will enter into the question number 3 of this question number 6. You have solved a number of times distance, you have calculated length of segment. So those who know about it, how to find out the distance, then they can solve it easily. So in question number 3, here it is told that distance UV and distance UL. I am going to solve it. There are only these 2 questions I am solving. Middle one is given to you as a homework. So let me solve UV and UL. PC and VB, these are the 2 distances. I am going to give you to find that 2 distances as a homework, and here I am going to solve now, find distance of UV. So coordinate of U is equal to minus 5. Coordinate of V, where is V? V is there 5. Then who is greater? 5 is greater than minus 5. Therefore distance of UV is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Therefore 5 minus in bracket minus 5 means 5 plus 5, that is 10 units. That is the distance. Similar way, we will find here distance of UL. Here coordinate of U is equal to minus 5. coordinate of L, where is L? Check. Minus 3 is given here. Now who is greater? Minus 3 is greater than minus 5. Both are negative. Smaller number is always greater in case of negative sign. Therefore, distance of UL is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Therefore, minus 3 minus in bracket minus 5. So, minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 units. Distance UL. So dear friends, here this practice set 1.2 is completed. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please tell to your all friends to take the benefit of our Ashoka's English Medium Academy's videos at free of cost, no charges for it. Only there is a charge that you should have to subscribe your channel. You should share your likes. You should comment to encourage me. I hope that you will help me to receive this channel to your number of friends. Thanks for watching the video.